Hello, today I am replacing a white wire shelving over this washer and dryer with a melamine shelf. So here's what I've done. I went to Menards. I got all this stuff at Menards so you guys can easily find this stuff. I bought a melamine shelf. I'll show you that. This was a little bit longer. I marked the front dimension and I squared it here, and then I trimmed the back off a little bit, a little angle on both sides because it's going wall to wall, and you know that has a buildup in the corner of some tape mud, so I always clip those corners. Another thing I did is I bought one of these at Menards, two of these actually. It's just a cleat board that they have that's wrapped all the way around with edge banding. I cut it directly in half, so that'll be a cleat for each side on each shelf like that. So I've got two sets of those. Then I bought some of these heavy-duty metal brackets. Now the bracket fits the shelf, so this is going to lip up under the shelf on the front. So if you don't like that look, go with something that mounts underneath. It's okay. But I'm going to find the studs, and I'm going to mount this into the studs, set the shelf on top, and put the cleats on the edge. I'll take you along the journey. In fact, look at here. This is my Menards bag. Merry Christmas. So right now it's about Christmas time. Merry Christmas if you're watching this live, but who knows when you're watching this. Anyway, always celebrate the commemoration of when our Savior was born. Merry Christmas.
So I'm going to start by snapping a line. Then we'll find the studs. This condo has metal studs too, so that's a little variation. I had to pre-drill those metal studs and run screws through that. You may not have to do that. If you're screwing into wood studs, you can just go directly in once you get them marked right through your bracket and screw right into the stud. Here I am pre-drilling, mounting each bracket, and you can't see real well, but I've got a level that I put up there to make sure it's plumb up and down. Okay, now we'll cut. You can see I put the top shelf in. Now I'm coming in, I'm working on these end cleats. And what I'm doing is pre-drilling those. I've got a stud in the back corner and then no stud out from there. So what I'll do is pre-drill the cleat, and I can pierce through and find the spot in the drywall where the screw is going to pop through. Then I'll take it down. I'll put an anchor in the drywall and bring it back up. And you'll see here in just a minute, before I do that, I'll put some glue on the back side of that. Here we go. Those glue drops little clumps of glue will help hold it solid. They won't give it a ton of strength, but they'll keep it from wobbling around, and you keep your anchors strong. All right, same thing on the bottom shelf. Now I'm taking some small white screws that I bought again at Menards, and I just screwed those down into the brackets. Came out pretty good. A lot of nice storage.